What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making this wooden mallet out of 2x4 scraps. Let's check it out.
We'll start by milling up all of our pieces. I'll be doing a half lap joint, so I'm marking out where the handle will sit and where I need to remove material. After cutting the half flaps, I'll fine tune the fit with some sandpaper. I'll also use some through dowels on the mallet head. It's ironic how much you need a mallet to make a mallet. I've never used this true black stain, but it looks really cool and I can't wait to see how it turns out.
That's about it. Once you have one of these, I'm telling you, you're going to find lots of use for them around your shop. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next project.